Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video about grounding, and this is what happens electrically inside your body when you are grounded. So scientists have made the arbitrary agreement accepted globally that the level of electric energy on the Earth's surface corresponds to an electric potential of 0. It does not mean the Earth is bereft of energy. If that were the case, there could be no electrons in the ground. Rather, this is a measurement standard that assigns everything above the surface of the Earth an electric potential higher than 0. When you make bare skin contact with the Earth, almost instantly, practically at the speed of light, the electric potential of the body equalizes with the potential of the Earth. The initial flow of electrons and energy between the Earth and your body establishes an electric path. At any given time, this flow of electrons is very small, but very significant. Roger Applewhite, an electrical engineer, showed in an experiment that grounding decreases the 60 Hz induced body voltage in a typical room by a factor of about 70, bringing it to an extremely minimal background level electrical noise present in the environment. In addition, Polish researchers Karol and Paul Sokal have measured how movements standing up and laying down affects the electrical potentials and currents on the surface and interior of the body. In their experiment, they found significant fluctuations when someone is not grounded, changes that were prevented with grounding. Their findings show that earthing creates a stable electrical environment for the body by preventing external 50 Hz electromagnetic fields or internal currents from interfering with natural bioelectrical functions. So there you have it. So another reason to go grounding, just practice it every day. So this is another video for SalesVision for the video challenge. So if you are a network marketer and you need to generate leads online, you have products to sell and you need customers, I highly recommend the digital marketing software from SalesVision. It will generate leads online, customers for your products. You don't have to bother friends and families, and you will find the link in the description below. And thank you for watching. Bye.